Di ako plastic, no? Have you ever said this? I came across a recycling bin na ang laman ay mga plastic bottles, mga soft drinks, mineral water bottles, at kung ano-ano pa. Kasi nga, to help the environment, kailangan i-recycle ang mga plastic kasi di ito nabubulok. Pero di naman tayo katulad ng plastic. Nabubulok tayo, we decompose. At totoo, hindi tayo plastic. Pero the statement, hindi ako plastic means I'm being true to myself. Pero yung statement na yan, minsan ginagamit as excuse para ilabas yung hindi magandang asal. Para siyang convenient way para magalit ka, para magyabang, o mag-express ng nararamdaman kahit may nasasaktan. Kasi nga hindi ka plastic. But perhaps we have to rethink, what does it mean na maging totoo ka o hindi plastic? It means to be more and more like Jesus. Yun ang totoo. That is our real identity as sons and daughters of God, maging katulad ni Kristo. Pero minsan sinasabi natin pag pumapasok tayo sa isang simbahan, uy, parang nasusunog na ako. It's as if we identify more with our weaknesses rather than our strength in the Lord or our true identity in Christ. Here's my challenge for you. Kung hindi ka talaga plastic, strive to be your true self, to be Christ-like. Alam ko hindi madali. Mas madali pang to give in to our emotions like anger or pride. My prayer for you is you strive to become like Christ or to be holier each day.